Welcome back to Procurement Doodles. You've planned ahead, prepared your budget, and shortlisted firms. Now it's time to create the single most important document in the selection process, the Request for Proposals, or RFP. Today, Chapter 6, Preparation of the RFP. Guideline 6.1 says the procuring entity should start drafting the RFP, including the terms of reference and budget, before the Consultant Procurement Committee is even appointed. Why? Because good preparation saves time later. So what must an RFP contain? Guideline 6.2 lists 6 non-negotiable sections: letter of invitation, instructions to consultants with a data sheet, technical proposal standard forms, financial proposal standard forms, terms of reference, and standard form of contract. The level of detail depends on the size and complexity of the assignment, but all 6 must be there. Use the Standard Request for Proposals, SRFP, approved by the NPC. Make only minimum changes, and only through the data sheet or If no SRFP exists for your case, you can use other documents only with NPC's concurrence. And the CPC takes full responsibility for the content. For foreign-funded projects, you may use the SRFP mandated by the funding agency. The letter of invitation tells shortlisted consultants who you are, where the money comes from, which firms are invited, what the assignment is about, which selection method you're using, and when and where to submit it. Also ask them to indicate if they plan to associate with another shortlisted firm and get your permission first. The instructions to consultants are the rulebook. It covers eligibility, no blacklisted consultants, no one is already engaged in related goods or works. Clarifications, all questions and answers go to every shortlisted firm. Site visits and pre-proposal conferences are allowed. Minutes are shared with everyone. Associations, joint ventures, or sub-consultancies are allowed, but joint venture partners are jointly liable. No firm can submit 2 proposals. Proposal validity must be long enough for evaluation and approvals. Minimum periods are in the manual. Submission time, enough time for consultants to prepare. Follow Guideline 7.2. It varies from 7 days to 42 days for complex projects. Evaluation criteria must be clearly stated in the RFP. Treat foreign and national consultants equally. If foreign currency payments are needed, both can quote in foreign currency, but justification is required, e.g., imported equipment, expatriate salaries. The draft contract must be issued with the RFP. It must clearly define scope, rights, obligations, counterpart staff, facilities, force majeure, and local costs in Sri Lankan rupees. For contracts longer than 12 months, you can include price adjustments for inflation. Payment provisions and schedule must be included. Advance payment up to 20% is allowed, but only against an acceptable guarantee, and it must be set off within the first 50% of the contract. Disputes go to arbitration under Sri Lanka's Arbitration Act. For foreign-funded projects, follow the funding agency's rules. ICC or UNCITRAL rules are recommended. Venue, Sri Lanka for government-funded projects. For foreign funding, as required by the agency. And the governing law? Always the laws of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. Finally, never modify the technical and financial proposal standard forms unless absolutely essential, and only with NPA's concurrence. The manual provides detailed guidance. That's the RFP, your blueprint for a fair, transparent, and successful consultant selection. Next, we'll look at Chapter 7, Issuing the RFP and Closing Opening of Proposals. Stay tuned. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, one doodle at a time. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose All Notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.